Hey guys, what's up? We are out in the apiary and the weirdest thing is going on. I came through and I keep seeing the worker bees riding on top of the drones. Look at that. I don't know if they're attacking the drones. Right there, look at that. What is going on? Are they killing off some of these drones? Sure looks like they're killing them. Lots of bees coming in with pollen. I just walked by here and saw like 3 or 4 of these guys. Looked like they were riding them around, which is pretty funny. Now, of course, they're not going to show us anything. There's one. What the heck is that? What is going on? You guys tell me in the comments what that is about. I know that there's some beekeepers out there and you guys know what that behavior was. I've never seen that before. It's the first time I've seen it. I'm wondering if this is like day one of this going on. I don't know. It looks to me like they're killing drones, like they're attacking the drones. There's lots of drones coming in and out though that aren't getting attacked. I don't know what's going on. There's a heavy, pleasant smell coming out of the hive as they're sitting there fanning. You can smell like that wax, that bee work. It smells like the wax, bee wax. Pretty cool. All right, guys, a short video, hopefully informative. Hopefully you guys can tell me what the heck that was down in the comments below, and then also provide some information for anyone else who wants to know what the heck is going on. Like a bee rodeo out here.